there are 400 million small and medium enterprises worldwide, which is 90% of the business population. And they are responsible for 55% of GDP contribution. Even in India, around 30-35% of GDP contribution is by MSMEs of India. And they are also responsible for worldwide small and medium enterprises are responsible for 60-70% of employment opportunities. In India, around 18 crore jobs, according to last year's report, are generated by MSMEs, and ecosystem is again generating new jobs. So it is very important to protect these companies. And according to my research, I did doctorate in this subject. I invented a new framework of cybersecurity for MSMEs known as BDS-LCCI, Business Domain Specifically Cybersecurity Controls Implementation. So, according to my research, I interacted with the top management of small and medium enterprises from 19 different countries. And in India especially, around 40% of MSMEs already undergone cyber attack. I have published that in IIT Bombay last year. And there are around 43% of industry-targeted cyber attacks are happening on small businesses. So these companies are having three major problems, challenges. Top management is saying, look, we don't have funds to implement cybersecurity. Even for taking 600 rupees of antivirus, they are thinking a lot, for 15 machines or 20 machines. Secondly, they are saying we don't have any resources who can actually understand how to implement those and maintain those. Thirdly, they are saying we can't see any return on investment. Why shall we invest in cybersecurity? It is not talking about our business, it is talking about just investment, and we don't understand cybersecurity. So I invented this framework which is actually resolving this problem, giving tailored cybersecurity controls list based on the business domain. For manufacturing domain, it gives 30 to 40 controls as to be implemented. If it is an e-commerce, then it will give you 30 to 40 controls for e-commerce domain, like that. So this research has been published in more than 10 research papers, books, chapters worldwide, as well as it is already in the market since last 2-3 years. This year and every January we are doing few changes in this framework. It is totally AI payment-based web platform. We have BDS-LCCI.in for India and .com for international, and it is an end-to-end framework for MSME companies. They can register themselves till they will undergo audit and certification by us. So that is what I am working on.
Thank you.